Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Craving something nourishing and incredibly quick? Today, you'll learn to make a delightful Bayam soup in under 15 minutes. This isn't just any soup. It's a simple recipe, packed with nutrients and surprisingly easy for anyone to prepare at home. It truly is the perfect comforting meal, making it ideal for a light lunch or a cozy dinner after a long day. Get ready to enjoy a bowl of pure goodness. You might be surprised how few ingredients are required to create this flavorful soup. To begin, gather one vibrant bunch of fresh bayam, 2 aromatic garlic cloves, and 1 small, sweet shallot. These fresh components form the heart of our dish. For the liquid base, make sure you have some good quality vegetable broth, a little cooking oil, and your preferred salt and pepper for seasoning. It's all about simplicity and fresh flavors. Preparation is key, but it's wonderfully straightforward for bayam soup. First, ensure your fresh bayam leaves are thoroughly washed under cold, running water to remove any dirt. Once clean, chop the bayam into manageable, bite-sized pieces. This makes it easier to enjoy later. Next, finely mince your 2 garlic cloves, releasing their full aroma, and then peel and thinly slice the small shallot. These steps will make cooking smooth and quick. Now for the cooking, and it's surprisingly fast. Begin by heating a tablespoon of oil in a medium pot, then sauté your sliced shallots and minced garlic until they become fragrant and lightly golden. Next, carefully pour in 2 cups of your vegetable broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer to meld the flavors. Finally, add the chopped bayam, stirring it in and cooking for just 2 to 3 minutes until the leaves are perfectly wilted. Avoid overcooking to keep its vibrant color. Your nourishing bayam soup is almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to perfectly match your personal taste preference. This hot, comforting soup is best served immediately, perhaps alongside some fluffy steamed rice or a slice of crusty toast for a complete meal. For an extra touch of flavor, consider garnishing your bowl with a sprinkle of crispy fried shallots or a dash of fragrant sesame oil. Savor every warm, healthful spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.